Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into Liberty University. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for web tutorials and contents on the web problems and solutions. So let's move on. So to log into Liberty University, first of all, Liberty University is a private evangelical Christian university in Virginia. This university has over 600 degrees at bachelor's, master's, or doctoral level. So to enroll and log into this university from your device, you simply need to go to the official website from your browser by typing in the search box the official website of the university. Type libertyuniversity.com and then you will be taken to Liberty University official webpage. Then you are here in the Liberty University official page. So you can see at the top right corner, tap on the sign in button you see over there. Then you will be taken to the login page for the Liberty University. You need to enter your email address and your password in the next page. Then you will be successfully logged into Liberty University from your device. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to log into Liberty University from your device. So hit the bell icon and like our video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, mention them in the comment section below.